So what you doing?
She's building the port.
Now that you actually see that thing, that's actually a pretty massive port.
This thing is only going to be like this close to the fucking back of it.
Yum! Nom 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 nom. Got their schmedium shirts. Their big grass with their big sip cup, their big gulp cups, eating a hot dog. Nom, 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 nom. Jesse James making fun of Paul Jr. and Senior on American Chopper. We all know they don't have an eating problem there because they all wear schmedium shirts.
Schmedium.
Claws for hands.
Yeah, pretty good. Big ass hand.
Yeah, but you don't have sausage fingers like they do. That's what he was talking about.
That's true.
Sizes, their hands are the size of a big gulp cup.